Hey, I'm Justin from the Rap Institute, and what I want to do right now is show you how to properly apply Triple S onto, let's say, a hood, so you get that ultimate slip so the material slides and glides, you don't get dots or adhesive lines. So basically what you want to do is clean the hood, clay bar the hood, degrease it like you normally would, but now you're going to take Triple S. What you want to do is you want to go from one side to the other, and in this case you want to generously spray it on. I want ultimate coverage right now with Triple S. On some materials that maybe have a really low initial tack, I'll just put it on the body lines, the high points, and maybe the slight curves. But if you're working in a warm garage, even if with a low tack material, or you're working with a material that's super, super high tack, this is what you want to do. Is again, spray it, full coverage. And then what I'm doing right now is I'm coming back in with a polishing towel, and I'm actually not pressing super hard. I'm barely pressing, because this stage of Triple S is about slip. So I want to create as much Triple S on the surface, and then I rotated the towel right there if you saw, and I'm just lightly coming back in, and I asked Bob and Dave from Triple S, or for P&S, when they're making Triple S, is to come up with something that dries super quick, because I'm an installer, time is money. I don't want to wait for this to dry, it's ready to rock and roll. So once I put Triple S on the main area, it's extremely important right now is to come back with degreaser, in this case panel wipe. And because I sprayed it generously on the surface, I'm going to do what we call at the Rap Institute a focus 360. And the reason why I want to do 360 right now is I'm coming back and degreasing the edges, because Triple S is great because it makes the material slip, but you don't want it to slip on those edges. So taking 2 seconds to do a loop on the outside and then focus on any recessed areas. So a little spray, little kind of wipe down on that recessed area there, wipe down on the recessed area here, and done. So very important finishing stage. So Triple S on the main surface, degrease the outside edges, any little recessed areas, but very important to leave the high ridges. And if you're working with a particularly soft material, or one that leaves a lot of dots, what I do sometimes is I'll just do one more little polish on the body lines, because body lines is where you're going to get most of your sanding. So I'll put one little second coat on the high side, one little second coat on the high side here, and especially at the front, as I pull the material down, I sometimes get some dots right there. So I'll just put a little second coat right there, and I'm telling you, it makes a huge difference. So this for me is my prep with Triple S. And now I'm gonna get the ultimate slip. There we go.